Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by rehydrating the seaweed so it's tender but not mushy. Put 5-10 grams dried Wakame in about 1 cup cold water and check at 5 minutes. Once done, squeeze gently to release excess liquid. While that soaks, measure a balanced dressing: 2 tablespoons rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, 1 teaspoon sugar, and 1 teaspoon toasted sesame oil. Prepare crisp additions like half a cucumber sliced thin and toast sesame seeds. These give texture and contrast to the salad. Once rehydrated, rinse the Wakame under cold running water to remove residual salt and any grit, then squeeze out the excess moisture and chop into bite-sized pieces. Place the Wakame in a mixing bowl and pour the prepared dressing over it. Toss gently so every strand gets coated without bruising. Taste and adjust. If it tastes flat, add a splash more rice vinegar. If too sharp, a pinch more sugar or a few drops of sesame oil will round the flavor. Add cucumber last so it stays crisp. Finish by chilling the dressed Wakame for 10 to 15 minutes so the flavors marry and the seaweed firms slightly. Serve cold with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds and thinly sliced scallions for brightness. If you plan leftovers, keep them covered in the refrigerator for up to 2 days, but avoid long storage because Wakame can get slimy. If it does become slightly slimy, rinse it briefly in cold water, redress with a little fresh rice vinegar and salt, and eat promptly for best texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.